Welcome to Saw Masters, the final frontier of wood power. From felling giant trees to unstoppable machines tearing through the wilderness, this is raw power in motion. Get ready. Welcome to Saw Masters. In this impressive showcase of modern forestry, the spotlight is on the Nisula 425C harvesting head, mounted on a powerful Ponsse forwarder. What looks like a simple machine is actually a smart, agile tool designed for fast and efficient thinning operations. With surgical precision, the Nisula 425C grips small and mid-sized trees, cuts them cleanly at the base, and strips away branches in seconds. Its compact design allows it to maneuver in tight spaces where larger harvesters can't reach, making it ideal for selective logging and sustainable forest management. The Ponsse forwarder, typically used to transport logs, has been cleverly adapted to handle this harvesting head. It provides a stable, mobile platform that brings harvesting power directly into the densest parts of the forest. Together, this setup reduces environmental impact, increases productivity, and brings versatility to modern logging. It's not just about cutting trees. It's about working with the forest, not against it. Smart, efficient, and sustainable. This is the future of forestry. The future is here. In the heart of the forest, modern machinery meets old-world strength. This is the HYPRO 300 processor, a compact, tractor-mounted harvesting solution that's redefining small-scale forestry. Mounted directly onto a standard farm tractor, the HYPRO 300 transforms it into a powerful logging machine. Watch as the hydraulic arm reaches out, gripping the trunk with firm precision. The built-in chainsaw slices through the base effortlessly, and the processor springs into action. Within seconds, the tree is delimbed, measured, cut to length, and stacked. Clean, fast, and efficient. Unlike massive harvesters, the HYPRO 300 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for thinning operations or working in dense, uneven forests. Its compact size means it causes less soil damage, leaves a smaller ecological footprint, and helps preserve the forest floor. The operator, sitting comfortably inside the tractor cab, controls every movement with joystick precision. From start to finish, the process is streamlined, reducing labor needs and increasing productivity. This is not just about logging. It's about doing forestry smarter. With the HYPRO 300, farmers and small contractors gain access to professional-grade processing without the need for expensive or oversized machines. In today's world, where sustainability and efficiency matter more than ever, the HYPRO 300 stands out as the perfect balance between power and responsibility. Smart, agile, and built for the future, this is forestry done right. Deep in the forest, where precision and power matter most, the HYPRO 450XL makes its presence known. Designed for high-efficiency timber harvesting, this advanced processor turns any standard tractor into a full-fledged forestry machine. The moment the hydraulic arm grabs hold of a tree, you know this isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. With a powerful chainsaw bar and automated feed rollers, the HYPRO 450XL cuts clean, delimbs quickly, and processes logs with astonishing speed. From cutting to measuring and stacking, everything is handled from the comfort of the tractor cab using joystick controls. No heavy lifting, no multiple machines, just smart, streamlined efficiency in one compact unit. Its robust construction and reliable components make it ideal for demanding conditions, steep slopes, dense forests, or harsh weather. Whether thinning small-diameter trees or handling heavier hardwoods, the HYPRO 450XL delivers consistent performance with minimal soil damage. And because it's tractor-mounted, it's more flexible and cost-effective than large harvesters. This is technology built not just for professionals, but for landowners, farmers, and contractors who need a smart solution. Efficient, durable, built for the future. The HYPRO 450XL isn't just processing trees, it's redefining how forestry is done. Meet the HYPRO 755, a high-performance forestry processor that brings industrial-grade wood handling right to your tractor. In just seconds, this powerful machine grips a standing tree, saws it at the base, and strips off branches with impressive speed and precision. From the operator's seat in the tractor, all functions are controlled with intuitive levers and joysticks. The log is fed through the rollers, automatically measured and cut into desired lengths, ready for stacking or transport. This seamless system makes the harvesting process smoother, faster, and far safer than traditional manual labor. What truly sets the HYPRO 755 apart is its robust construction and smart design. It's engineered to handle tough conditions, whether you're thinning dense woodlots, working in remote areas, or managing large-scale operations. And because it's tractor-mounted, it's mobile, cost-efficient, and accessible to both professionals and private landowners. No need for expensive full-size harvesters. With the HYPRO 755, you gain maximum productivity with minimal environmental footprint, thanks to reduced soil disturbance and precise tree handling. Whether you're working solo or as part of a team, the HYPRO 755 is a forestry powerhouse, built to perform, built to last. This is the future of logging: smart, efficient, and surprisingly compact. Watch the HYPRO 755 in action, a compact yet powerful timber processor built for speed and precision. Mounted behind a tractor, it grabs each log, cuts it cleanly at the base, and strips off branches in one smooth motion. The automatic feed system pulls the log through rollers, measuring and cutting it to the desired length effortlessly. Efficient, reliable, and cost-effective, the HYPRO 755 turns small-scale forestry into high-level productivity. Watch the powerful John Deere 803MH, paired with the Warada 415X harvesting head, dominate the forest with precision and speed. With a firm grip, the machine cuts, delimb, and measures each log in seconds, effortless and efficient. Built for rugged terrain and nonstop productivity, this forestry beast shows us how modern logging gets done right. Clean cuts, smooth feeds, and unstoppable power, all in one unstoppable machine. In the heart of a dense forest, the John Deere 959K makes its entrance. Towering and powerful, this machine is designed for one job: taming nature. With its heavy-duty tracks and high ground clearance, it moves effortlessly through tough terrain. The forest holds no challenge too big for this green giant. Watch as the 959K extends its powerful arm, gripping a massive tree with its claw-like felling head. In a matter of seconds, the sharp blade slices through the trunk with incredible precision. The tree topples in perfect control. No mess, no mistake. It's not just cutting, it's engineering at work. This machine isn't just brute force, it's finesse. The operator inside the cab uses joystick controls to maneuver every motion with millimeter precision. Whether it's rotating, grabbing, or cutting, each movement is smooth and deliberate. It's like watching a dance, just one between steel and wood. As the 959K tackles uneven ground and steep slopes, its stability shines. The wide base and strong hydraulics keep it grounded, even when lifting massive trees. It doesn't slow down, doesn't slip, it powers forward, delivering non-stop productivity in even the harshest logging environments. Gone are the days of slow, dangerous tree cutting. With machines like the 959K, logging becomes faster, safer, and smarter. Every tree is harvested with care, measured with onboard tech, and laid down in perfect order. It's not just forestry, it's innovation at work. In this powerful demo, Justin Streechert puts the John Deere 2154D equipped with a Warada 622C harvesting head to the test. With effortless precision, the machine grips, cuts, and strips massive logs in seconds. Every move is fast, clean, and efficient, true mastery of modern forestry. The Warada head works like a surgical tool, spinning and processing trunks with speed and control. Meanwhile, the operator commands it all from a comfortable, high-tech cab, turning hard work into smooth performance. In the heart of the forest, the mighty Komatsu 365, Valmet 911.4 comes to life. With mechanical precision, it approaches a towering red pine. The powerful harvester head clamps the thick trunk like a beast gripping its prey. With one swift motion, the tree is cut at the base, falling gently to the forest floor. But the job doesn't stop there. The harvester grabs the fallen pine, feeding it into the processor head. In seconds, branches are stripped and the trunk is clean. Then, the machine cuts it into perfect log sections, ready for transport. Every movement is smooth, controlled, and impressively efficient. This is not just tree cutting. It's a performance of modern forestry, where strength meets technology and nature is handled with power and precision. The Komatsu 911 with the S92 harvesting head glides smoothly into the dense forest. Its articulated frame maneuvers effortlessly between tall pines, ready to begin the work. This is where raw nature meets powerful engineering. The S92 head grips a tree firmly, and within seconds, the trunk is cut cleanly. The machine delivers strips branches in one smooth motion, turning wild trees into clean, straight logs, perfect for transport and processing. The operator sits in a modern, climate-controlled cabin, commanding every movement with precision joysticks. The machine's sensors track every log's size and volume, ensuring optimal productivity with minimal waste. Despite its power, the Komatsu 911 minimizes soil disturbance and preserves surrounding trees. It's a balance of technology and environmental care, a sustainable approach to forestry. In the heart of the forest, the mighty Komatsu 911 with the C123 harvester head springs into action. With mechanical precision, it grabs, cuts, and delimb trees in seconds. A single operator, in full control, transforms towering timber into manageable logs, fast, efficient, and powerful. This is modern forestry at its finest. Deep in the forest, the Komatsu 911.6 roars to life. Its 10-meter crane and C123 harvesting head work in perfect harmony. With a powerful grip, it grabs a massive Sitka spruce, slices through the trunk like butter, and processes it into perfectly measured logs in seconds. Every movement is calculated, efficient, and unstoppable. This is not just logging. It's the future of smart, high-performance forestry. In the heart of the forest, two machines take center stage in a breathtaking demonstration of modern forestry. Leading the charge is the Ponsse Scorpion King, equipped with the versatile H7 harvester head. Its unique 8-wheel design and hydraulic suspension allow it to glide over rough terrain like a forest predator. With one powerful motion, it grabs, cuts, delimb, and measures each tree with robotic precision. The operator, seated in a rotating cab with a panoramic view, controls every movement with fingertip ease. Close behind is the Sampo SR1046 Pro, fitted with the agile Nisula 425 harvester head. Smaller but equally efficient, this machine specializes in thinning and clearing smaller growth, ensuring forest health and future regeneration. Together, these machines show the perfect balance of strength and finesse. They work in harmony, removing trees responsibly, minimizing soil damage, and maximizing wood output. This is not just logging. It's smart, sustainable forestry in action, a true glimpse into the future of wood harvesting, fast, efficient, and eco-conscious.